Sterling Machinery is proud to offer this 175-ton by 12-foot used Cincinnati CNC hydraulic press brake. This machine is a model 175 CB10. This Cincinnati press brake comes with a Cincinnati 2-axis CNC back gauge, ISB light curtains, an auto lube system, remote dual palm control stand, 2 electric foot pedals, barrier guards, and runs on a 15 horsepower motor. This 1997 machine has a ram stroke from 0 to 10 inches with 10-foot 6 between the housings. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.